I am about to describe your life, and it is going to make you uncomfortable. You, right now, watching this, you are either living this or you are about to. Do not scroll. This might save the one thing money never will. You made it. That is what everyone says about you. He made it. 6 figures in your bank. Your name on the office door. A car that turns heads. An apartment so clean, so perfect. It looks like a magazine. And tonight, like every night for the past 11 months, you will microwave something. Eat it standing up. Scroll your phone until your eyes burn. Lie down in a bed built for 2 and sleep on just one side. Again. But let me take you back to when none of this existed. You were 22. Your rent was late. Your shoes had holes. Your fridge had ketchup and hope. That is it. But there was one thing you had that money could never match. Her. She would sit on your kitchen floor with you, eating instant noodles, laughing so hard your neighbors complained. She would wear your old hoodie like it was designer. She would fall asleep mid-sentence because she stayed up waiting for you. Not for your money, not for your future, for you. And you looked at her sleeping face one night and thought, she deserves more than this. I need to become more. That thought, that one thought, is where it all went wrong. Because you did not hear what she was actually saying. She never said, become more. She said, be here. But you chose the other voice. The voice that says, grind harder, sleep less, sacrifice now, win later. So you did. Year 1, you worked late 3 nights a week. She adjusted. Year 2, you worked late every night. She adjusted. Year 2, you worked late every night. She adjusted. Year 3, you stopped coming home for dinner. She stopped cooking. And you did not even notice the kitchen light was off when you walked in. There is a moment, a single moment, where everything between 2 people shifts. Not a fight, not an argument, something much quieter, much worse. She texted you one afternoon, nothing special, just, I miss you, 2 words, you saw it, read it. You saw it, read it, and went back to your spreadsheet. You replied 4 hours later, miss you too, crazy day. She did not respond, and you felt relief. Good, she is not upset. But she was not upset, but she was not okay. She was sitting on your bed, holding that phone, reading those 4 words, and realizing, that is all I am now. An afterthought between meetings. She did not cry that night. She just got quieter. And quiet is more dangerous than screaming, because screaming means someone still cares enough to fight. Quiet means they have already started letting go. You missed the signs, all of them. She stopped saying, I love you first. You thought, she is just tired. She stopped reaching for you in bed. You thought, she is just asleep. She stopped asking about your day. You thought, finally, some space. You called it space. She called it giving up. Then came that night, a random Wednesday, nothing special about it, except she made your favorite meal, set the table for 2, put on a dress she bought 3 months ago that you never noticed, lit a candle, sat down, and waited. 9:30. You walked in, phone in one hand, laptop bag in the other, eyes already somewhere else. You saw the table. You saw her. You saw the candle. And you said, oh, I grabbed something at the office. I am not really hungry. Then you sat on the couch, opened your laptop, and disappeared. She sat there, across from an empty chair, for 19 minutes. I know that because she counted. She told you that later, but you do not remember. Because you were not listening, she blew out the candle. And something in her blew out with it. After that night, the apartment felt different, not broken, not angry, just hollow. She was still there, but not really there. Her body stayed. Her heart had already packed its bags. 2 months later, on a Tuesday, she left. No note, no fight, no goodbye. She just was not there when you got home. And the terrifying part, the part that still keeps you up at night, you got home at 8, ate at your desk, worked until midnight, went to bed, woke up Wednesday, worked, came home Thursday, worked, came home Thursday. Friday morning, you opened the closet, her side, empty. 3 days. She vanished from your life, and your routine did not even hiccup. That is not strength. That is not focus. That is damage. You called her 17 times that night. Every call straight to voicemail. Her voicemail still had that cheerful tone. Hey, it is me. Leave a message. You listened to it 6 times. Not to leave a message, just to hear her voice. Now, fast forward to tonight. You are standing in your apartment, the one with the view, the one everyone compliments. Your reflection stares back at you from the window. Successful man, expensive watch, tired eyes. Behind that reflection, a city full of people, millions of lives happening, dinners being shared, hands being held, arguments being resolved with "I am sorry" and a hug. And you are watching it all from the other side of the glass, like a movie you are no longer part of. Last night, you made the mistake of looking her up. You saw a photo. Small apartment, nothing impressive. A tiny table, a home-cooked meal, a cheap bottle of wine, and a man, nobody special. No title, no corner office, probably drives a used car, but he was sitting across from her, looking at her like the entire world was in that chair, and she was laughing. Not the polite laugh she gave you at company dinners, the real one, the ugly one, the one where her eyes disappeared, she throws her head back. The laugh she used to give you, for free, when you had nothing, when all you could offer was your time. That laugh now belongs to someone else, someone who probably earns, in a month, what you earn in a week. But he gave her the one thing you were always too busy to afford: himself. You stared at that photo until your screen went dark, then you plugged your phone in, rolled over, and stared at the ceiling, counting the seconds between each breath, because when it is this quiet, you can hear your own loneliness. You are 34. You own everything. You have everything. And you would trade all of it, every dollar, every title, every square foot of this apartment, for one more night on that kitchen floor, eating noodles, hearing her laugh, feeling like the richest man alive, with nothing in your pocket. But that door is closed now. She closed it quietly, the way she did everything at the end. Quietly. Right now, someone watching this still has what I lost. Someone watching this has a person who is still trying, still texting first, still making plans, still leaving the light on. And right now, that person is getting tired. Not angry, not dramatic, just tired. The same tired she felt right before the candle went out. You have a window, a small one, and it is closing, so do something I never did. Put this video down, open your phone, not email, not LinkedIn, not Slack. Open their name and type 5 words. I choose you over everything. Mean it. Before your apartment gets the view and loses the only person worth looking at. Before you become the man in this video, rich, successful, and sleeping alone.